Okay. So next question we are going to see is based on probability distribution. It is related to topic probability distribution. What question says that unbiased coin is tossed, okay, 5 times, and they are given the random variable x which takes value k, and values k are 3, 4, 5. Other than these values, if x takes the value -1, okay. So and they are asked the expected value of x is, that is mean value of x, okay. So we are going to see the solution to this question. Yeah. So what question says the random variable x is given and it should take values 3, 4, 5, right? Such that the k value it takes, that k value says that there should be 3 consecutive heads, 4 consecutive heads, or 5 consecutive heads. So first of all we are going to find out the probability for that value. So first of all, p value for x equal to 3 we are going to find out. So it will be the case like h and we have t. Okay, so there are 3 consecutive heads and 2 tails are there, so we are going to group them 3 consecutive heads, so we are remaining with 2 tails. So we now have 3 entities to permute. This entity 1 group and 2 tails. How many ways we can permute them? The number of ways is 3 factorial upon 2 factorial, right? Because there are 2 tails. Okay. And what about the probability? Now we know that this is unbiased coin. So probability of getting head and probability of getting tail will be the same. That is probability of success. Sorry, probability of getting head and tail is same. That is half and half. So that will be 1 upon 2 raised to 5. So this will give us 3 upon 32. Okay. Next is we are going to get 4 consecutive heads. So that will be px is equal to 4. Okay. So if we have 4 consecutive heads and 1 tail, we are going to group 4 consecutive heads. So now we have 2 entities for permutation. 4 consecutive heads group and 1 tail. So that can be permuted in 2 factorial ways, right? And the probability will be the same for appearing heads and tails, that is 1 upon 2 raised to 5. So this will be equal to 2 upon 32. We are not going to simplify this because calculation will be easy that way. Okay. Next is px equal to 5. There are 5 consecutive heads. Now we can see 5 consecutive heads. So there is only one arrangement is possible. So there is only one arrangement. So we are going to multiply by only probability. So that will be 1 into 1 upon 2 raised to 5. That is equal to 1 upon 32. Right. So probabilities for random variable taking values 3, 4 and 5 we have evaluated. What they are given that for other values it takes the value -1. So total probability will find out, okay, of these 3. The remaining, otherwise, that if it doesn't take 3, 4 and 5 values, what will be the probability? We'll add this probability up and subtract from 1. So that will be the probability of otherwise factor. So that probability we write it as px dash, px equal to x dash. That will equal to 1 minus 3 upon 32 minus 2 upon 32 minus 1 upon 32. So that will be equal to 1 minus 6 upon 32, that is equal to 26 upon 32. Okay. We are supposed to find out the expectation value of this random variable. So expectation value, how we give? Ex equal to summation pi xi. So multiply probability with the random variable value. So that will be equal to, first of all we will do it for px equal to 3. The probability is 3 by 32. Okay, and value of the random variable is 3. So this will be 3 by 32 into 3. Similarly for x equal to 4, we have probability 2 upon 32. Okay, into 4 plus for px equal to 5, we have probability 1 upon 32. So that will be 1 upon 32 into 5. Otherwise, we have probability 26 by 32. And we know the value it takes is, random variable takes is -1. So that will be 26 upon 32 into -1. So if you solve this, we get the answer -4 upon 32. that is equal to minus 1 upon 8. So this is the final answer. Thank you.